Hi, I'm Isabel Rawson with Summit Real Estate and this week's Shoutout Saturday. I'm at VANTIA Hardwoods Interiors. They've been in business here in Summit County for a little over 13 years. We used them for our home remodel, and I'll show you those steps on how that process went here shortly. Step 1, choose VANTIA to do your remodel and pick the material and color you want. Step 2, demo. Look at this. This is crazy. All gone. We used to have tile and carpet. Created a lot of dust, but that's okay. I can't wait for the install to start. Woohoo! Been featured in many parade of homes for a little over a decade. They're just absolutely outstanding and super responsive. So if you're looking for any flooring needs, whether it's new construction or you're looking to give your home a little bit of a facelift, these are the guys to reach out to.